Hello everyone, my name is MD Zohrul Islam, you can call me Zohrul. Today, winter morning, I coming Lake Park. Then my friend three person, I came one Lake Park. This Lake Park's name I forget. Then this location Diabari Lake Park. So my friend body exercise every day winter morning. His look is foreigner. Then I suggest so your body that is good. So this is Mahfouz, my friend. He only tell me something. Please, Mahfouz.
Hello viewers, I suggest you brother you like thumbs up like, then subscribe his channel. Then one day he will be a good speaker.
Thank you, brother.
Brother, already I am in this journalist, brother, long hair blogger. Everyone support me, support he.
Brother,
Already I was another person, beginner. And then try to day by day try
this is
and then
this is
I think,
my friend.
I think every day practice you can if you can every day speaking try, and then you will be good speaker and English speak. Then you I believe you first of all you mind set up and then you good speaker.
Thank you, Delwar brothers. So right now I tell my friends and everything. So winter morning, so very hot and air coming. Then so all I try every day learning English, but I probably don't understand. So. Try. One day, inshallah, I also believe that I am a fluent English speaker. Right now, I am a poor English blogger and Abul English blogger. Then after that, I am a fluent English speaker properly.
You
So
pray for me.
this is
Every person prayer for me, Zohrul and me. And Mahfouz, you every person prayer for me, and then I successful. We are successful English fluent speaker, and my career, our career is very developed. You prayer for me. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Delwar brothers. After that, you again coming. I same after next video. I making your face and body. You're looking so amazing. But so my video finish. Then after next video, you please follow my channel and my channel name Long Hair English Blogger and Speaker. So please subscribe my channel, and I'm a beginner. As a beginner, please support me my new journey and consider my English sentence. Thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum.